Good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Welcome back. Hope you had a wonderful spring break. I'm glad for us to get started and get back to our regular teaching. Uh, Today, I want you to think about animals. Do you think about animals in your neighborhood, animals that you might see if you're out on a walk? Sometimes there are animals around our neighborhoods that we just hear. For example, owls come out at nighttime, and I hear several owls around my neighborhood, but I don't often see the animals. We know that birds are animals. We've been studying about birds. So I know that we have a little bit of background knowledge about animals. Today in your journals, I would like for you to write down some of the what things you know about animals. Okay, I want you to think about what do you already know about animals. Look out your window. It's a rainy day today, so might not be able to go outside, but look out your window and see, make a list of the animals that you see out in your yard. All right, birds, squirrels. I saw a fox the other day in my neighborhood. I kept my distance, but I did see a fox. Um, and write down what you think those animals need. Okay, I want you to start thinking about animals' needs. So, in your journal, I want you to write down a list of the animals that you see around your house or around your neighborhood. Okay, that's your first task. Then I want you to start to think about what those animals need. Okay, what those animals need to survive. Okay, do they need food? What type of house would they live in? Habitat, we call that sometimes, like a bird lives in a nest. So I want you to give some thought to that today. Like I said, look out the window, think about the animals that you regularly see in your yard, okay? Make a list of them, and then tell me down below that list what you think those animals need. What do they need to survive every day? All right, enjoy your window watching today, guys, looking out into the yard, looking at the animals. I can't wait to see some of your responses. You know that you guys can also put your responses on Facebook or just snap a picture of your journal so that I can see it. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Bye.